Ever feel like money just slips through your fingers while others seem to attract it like a magnet? It's not magic, friend. It's your mindset. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of positive affirmations. Simple words that rewire your brain for abundance. Ready to flip the script on your financial story? Click play and let's get magnetized. Money is a fascinating dance between reality and perception. Your beliefs, however subtle, shape your financial journey. Let's face it, if you dread even looking at your bank statement, how can you expect abundance to flow? But listen, negative money narratives don't have to dictate your destiny. You hold the power to shift. Enter the world of positive affirmations. Gentle whispers to remind you. Wealth is attainable, hard work is rewarded, and you deserve financial freedom. These aren't empty wishes, but seeds planted in fertile ground, your mind. By nurturing them with daily repetition, you cultivate a mindset of abundance. You ready to join me on this transformational journey? Get comfortable, tune in, and discover the incredible power of words to attract the wealth you deserve. This is more than just a video, it's a gateway to a new financial reality. Let's begin. Here at Better World Zone, our best thoughts and our best actions build our best world. Subscribe now to be part of the best world. Okay, let's talk about something real for a minute. Attracting wealth. Sounds exciting, right? But sometimes the idea can feel scary. Like diving into a vast ocean, unsure of what lurks beneath the surface. Where does that fear come from? Well, it often starts with the whispers we hear growing up. Those tiny, powerful messages that shape our beliefs about money, even before we know what a paycheck is. Remember that time your parents argued about bills, their voices tight with worry? That taught you money can bring unhappiness. Or maybe you longed for that cool new bike, but heard, "Sorry, honey, that's too expensive." That planted the seed that you don't deserve abundance. And who can forget the groans and grumbles about taxes? Suddenly, managing money felt like a chore, a burden. These experiences, these inherited myths, can stick with us like shadows, whispering doubts and holding us back. Let's crack open some of those shadows and see if they resonate with you. Myth 1. Wealth is a betrayal. In some families, there's an unspoken rule. Wealth is dirty, it comes at the cost of others' suffering. So if you get ahead, you're somehow betraying your roots, your community. But that's not always true, is it? There are countless ways to build wealth with integrity, creating a ripple effect of prosperity. Myth 2. The good life is a sacrifice. Remember the sacrifices your parents made for your extracurriculars, your education, your dreams? This myth ties wealth to hardship, like there's no room for both. But that's simply not fair. Abundance can be a source of joy, freedom, and fulfilling your dreams without sacrificing other parts of your life. Myth 3. Money brings pain. Maybe you saw fights erupt over finances or felt the sting of scarcity. Those memories can leave emotional scars, linking money to negativity. But remember, your financial future is not bound by those past experiences. You can rewrite the narrative, choose a path where wealth brings security, opportunity, and a sense of well-being. So, what did you learn about money as a child? Are any of these myths whispering in your ear? Don't let them hold you back. Remember, you have the power to rewrite your financial story. One positive affirmation, one conscious choice at a time. Ready to shed those limiting beliefs and open the door to abundance? Stick with me, and let's uncover the secrets to attracting wealth, starting with clearing the clutter in our minds. Ever caught yourself thinking, money? It's like trying to catch smoke, just slips right through your fingers? Or maybe you whisper, wealth and prosperity? Those are for other people, not me. Whoa, hold on. Those are just stories, narratives you've been telling yourself, and they're playing on repeat in your head. But guess what? You get to edit the script. The truth is, attracting more money starts with changing your mindset. It's like flipping a switch from scarcity to abundance. Imagine this. Instead of pushing money away, you magnetically attract it. It's not a chore, it's a dance, a fascinating journey of financial discovery. You learn to manage it like a maestro, watching your bank balance waltz upwards with each wise decision. That's the magic of a positive money mindset. It's not just about having more money, it's about feeling empowered, confident, and in control. It's a skill that unlocks a whole new world of possibilities, and it's yours to develop, to nurture, to transform your financial story. Think of it like building a beautiful garden. You wouldn't plant weeds and expect roses, right? So why would you plant negative thoughts and expect financial abundance? Ready to crack open the treasure chest of your financial potential? Let's ditch the dusty old beliefs about money and polish your path to prosperity. Today, we'll unlock 3 powerful keys that'll transform your money mindset from mensch to magnificent. Step 1. Shine a light on your shadow beliefs. Remember those whispers that say things like, money doesn't grow on trees or rich people are greedy? Time to grab a pen and paper and give them a voice. Write them down face to face. This act of awareness is the first step to letting them go. Step 2. Swap the shadows for sunshine. Replace those limiting whispers with truths that sparkle brighter than diamonds. For instance, instead of building wealth takes $1 million, write, I can start with small, smart investments and watch them blossom. Remember, the truth is often just a reframing away. Step 3. Plant seeds of abundance. Now let's create a powerful mantra, a personal cheerleader that whispers, everything I need to attract wealth is flowing to me effortlessly. Write it down, say it out loud, and let it bathe you in the golden glow of possibility. Repeat it with passion, day after day, and watch it become the song of your financial future. Step 4. Aim high, dream big. Visualize your financial goals like sparkling stars in the night sky. Use the SMART method: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Want a debt-free life by next summer? Write it down, break it down into bite-sized steps, and watch your motivation soar. Step 5. Speak to abundance, listen to the universe. Affirmations are like magic spells for your mind. Repeat positive phrases like, my income is expanding, or I attract opportunities that bring me abundance. Let your words be a magnet, drawing resources and connections to your dreams. Remember, the universe whispers back when you speak with confidence. Ask for what you desire, believe it's possible, and then let the universe work its magic. And finally, trust the universe. Ask for what you desire, believe it's possible, and then let go. The universe has a way of whispering back, yes, you can, through unexpected opportunities, helpful connections, and that feeling of quiet confidence that whispers, I am on the path to abundance. Imagine a life where money flows effortlessly, like a sunlit stream nourishing your dreams. This, my friend, is the reality you can cultivate through the power of positive affirmations. Let's dive into 3 powerful affirmations you can incorporate into your daily routine. 1. I am making positive choices about my money. Close your eyes and envision a vibrant scene. You're diligently tracking your spending, eliminating unnecessary purchases, and watching your bank balance blossom. Each wise decision feels like a seed sown, sprouting toward financial freedom. Now, ask yourself, what can I do to make more and spend less? Can I raise my rates or ask for a promotion? Can I trim unnecessary expenses and prioritize my savings goals? Remember, every positive choice you make today plants the seeds of a richer tomorrow. 2. I am creating all the money I want and need to accomplish everything I want to do. Imagine a future where bills arrive with a smile, not a sigh. You confidently say yes to dream vacations and exciting opportunities, knowing your finances support your desires. Feel the surge of gratitude and freedom as abundance washes over you. Repeat this affirmation daily, letting its positive energy dissolve any lingering anxieties around money. Watch as your confidence grows and your dreams become a tangible reality. 3. I am releasing all negative thoughts about money, and I feel free to visualize my dreams. It's time to shed the shackles of limiting beliefs. See those negative thoughts as clouds obscuring your financial horizon. Feel their power diminish as you breathe deeply, embracing your boundless potential. Remember, Bob Proctor said, "The present state of your bank account is nothing more than the physical manifestation of your previous thinking." Change your thoughts, change your bank account. It's that simple. But just like seeds need sunshine and water, affirmations need action to blossom into abundance. Here's how to put your affirmations into action and attract the wealth you deserve. 1. Visualize with vibrant detail. After repeating your affirmations, close your eyes. Imagine the reality they describe. See yourself effortlessly managing your finances, joyously spending on your passions, and radiating confidence about your financial future. Feel the texture of crisp bills, the warmth of a dream vacation, the security of a solid bank account. The more vivid your visualization, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. 2. Take inspired action. Don't just wait for the money to magically appear. Take aligned action, small steps that move you closer to your goals. Did you affirm a raise? Update your resume, network with confidence, and ace that upcoming presentation. Affirming financial freedom? Start a side hustle, explore new income streams, or invest in yourself with financial literacy courses. Each action, no matter how small, fuels the momentum of your affirmation practice. 3. Trust the law of attraction. Remember, the universe is listening. Your positive thoughts and actions are like powerful magnets, attracting opportunities, resources, and people who can help you achieve your goals. Trust that the universe has your back, that the right connections and opportunities will unfold in perfect timing. Let go of the need to control and embrace the flow of abundance. 4. Share your abundance. Prosperity thrives on generosity. As your wealth grows, share it with others. Donate to causes you care about, support local businesses, or mentor someone on their financial journey. Remember, the more you give, the more the universe finds ways to give back to you. Attracting wealth isn't about passive waiting. It's about a beautiful dance between your affirmations, your actions, and the universe's abundance. What affirmations are fueling your financial dreams? Share them in the comments below and give love to receive more abundance. And finally, if you want more inspiring content on creating a better world, both for yourself and others, hit the subscribe button and join the Better World Zone community. So, keep these affirmations close, nourish them with action, and trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor.